In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report for only one customer in Odoo 12. We'll be doing this directly from the customer list inside the accounting module, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If you need to export data for just a single customer instead of your full customer database, this method helps you keep the export focused and much easier to work with. First, start from the home screen in Odoo. This is where all your main modules are displayed. From here, click on Accounting to open the Accounting workspace. This is the section where you can manage financial records, invoices, and customer-related accounting information. Once you're inside Accounting, look for Customers and click it. Depending on your layout, you may see Customers as a menu item and then again as a submenu option. If that happens, click Customers once more to open the full customer list. This will take you to the page where all customer records are shown in a table or list view. Now that you're on the customer list, find the specific customer you want to export. Instead of opening the record, click the checkbox next to that customer's name. This is an important step because it tells Odoo that you want to perform an action only on the selected record. Be careful to select just one customer if your goal is to export only that customer's data. After selecting the checkbox, click on the Actions menu. This menu gives you several options that apply to the selected record or records. From the drop-down, choose Export. That will open the Export Settings window. In the Export window, click on the option labeled I want to update data, which is the import compatible export setting. This format is useful because it organizes the exported data in a way that can also be re-imported into Odoo later if needed. Even if you're only exporting for review, this is the option shown in the process and it helps keep the file structured. Finally, click Export. Odoo will generate the file based on the selected customer, and your download should begin automatically depending on your browser settings. If it doesn't, check your browser's download area or pop-up permissions, and that's it. You've successfully exported data for only one customer in Odoo 12. Just make sure the correct customer is checked before using the Actions menu, because your export will reflect exactly what you selected.